Welcome to Dubai. Whether you're here for the sun, shopping, or sights, choosing where to stay can make all the difference. Today we're exploring three top areas: Dubai Marina, Palm Jumeirah, and downtown Dubai. Let's see which one suits you best. First up is Dubai Marina, a super lively part of Dubai that's always buzzing. You'll get amazing views of the waterfront, see luxury yachts, and feel the energy along Marina Walk. The area is packed with great restaurants, cafes, and a fun nightlife scene, with plenty of bars and clubs to check out. Plus, Dubai Marina Mall is just around the corner, and you're only a 20-minute drive from Burj Khalifa. Next up is Palm Jumeirah, one of Dubai's most iconic spots. Living here means you're surrounded by stunning views of the Arabian Gulf and luxurious beachfront homes. The area offers a more relaxed vibe compared to the city, but still has plenty to do with its high-end restaurants, chic cafes, and upscale beach clubs. You'll also find world-class resorts and spas, perfect for unwinding. Shopping and entertainment are close by, with Nakheel Mall right on the island. And if you need to get to the city, you're just a 25-minute drive from Burj Khalifa. Finally, there's downtown Dubai, the heart of the city and the place to be if you love being in the middle of it all. Here you're surrounded by the city's most famous landmarks, including the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall. The area is filled with luxury hotels, trendy restaurants, and stylish cafes, making it perfect for those who enjoy a vibrant urban lifestyle. The nightlife here is buzzing, with plenty of bars and lounges to explore. Everything you need is within walking distance, and you're right at the center of Dubai's action. Thanks for checking out these top areas in Dubai. For a complete guide, head to our website, tupia.com, linked in the description.